Hello friends, here we are. This is a 1995 Jeep Wrangler Rio Grande edition. It's a YJ model. It's a manual with a 4-cylinder. It's a nice little Jeep. It's not a perfect Jeep. I'll walk around to here. Real good tires. It has 84,000 original miles. The guy I bought this from has owned it since 2002, so same owner for the last 20 years. All we have is the bikini top and the soft doors. You can see the frames are on there for a soft top, but we don't have the soft top. Overall, very nice, clean little Jeep. Very well maintained, no leaks. Has a heater. It's a manual transmission again. Manual transmissions, fun to drive, cranks right up. In the last like 300 miles, it's had a lot of service work done. Right before we bought it, he had a lot of work done, so all the front brake calipers, rotors, and pads were replaced. The brake booster and master cylinder was replaced. The brake lines were replaced. Water pump was done, replaced. Brake switch replaced. Oil change was done. Did a brake flush, fluid flush, and a coolant flush, and a power steering flush as well. So it's real clean, nice bumpers. Paint does have some flaws. There's some areas here have been touched up where the clear coat is missing. There's some dents on the hood right there. There's some more clear coat stuff right here. You could probably repaint this whole Jeep. I've painted a lot of Jeeps, depends on the quality you want, but it can get done for $5 grand, $4 grand, get you a nice paint job on one of these if you wanted to totally repaint it. The driver's seat does have a tear over there. We just saw. Comes with the Hula Girl and a couple ducks to get you started on your collection. Aftermarket radio. Passenger seat looks good. Carpet in there. That all comes right out, just buttons in there. Door panels are in nice shape. Windows look good. Just a nice, clean little Jeep. It runs great. I've gone around the neighborhood a bit and it really runs well. Or it'd be good for a, I don't know, teenager, or put it at the lake house or beach house. Put it on the ranch. Run around town, run some errands in it. So that is it. You can call, text, or email. We do respond quickly. If you need financing, we can work with any bank. Cash deals are easy, and we can ship this to you anywhere in the country. So give us a call. Hope to hear from you soon. Please subscribe, like the video, subscribe. We do upload a lot of shorts here, YouTube shorts as well. Things coming down the pipeline, a lot of projects, new cars coming in, trade-ins, things like that. So appreciate you guys watching.